In this video, we will discuss about active components and passive components in electronic circuit. In electronics, active components are devices that can amplify an electric signal and produce power. That is, it inject power into a circuit. So there are active components in electronics like your transistor, diode, LED, that is light emitting diode, photodiode, integrated circuits, operational amplifier, 7-segment display, SCR. These are the active components in electronics, and battery is also called an active component. And we know battery is used to give power, to produce power. That is why you can also say battery as an active component. And a transistor, that is also an active component in electronics, because the role of transistor is to amplify the signal by the mechanism of transfer of resistance. Due to the transfer of resistance, the signal, electric signal, is amplified. That is why transistor is called an active component. Since diode possesses one directional property, that is, diode passes current in one direction and blocks in the other direction, that is, it allows current to pass in unique direction, one direction. That is why it changes the current or voltage. So diode is considered as an active component. We consider integrated circuits or ICs are active components because in integrated circuits there are active devices like transistors, diodes, etc. There are also passive devices like capacitors and resistors in integrated circuits, but we consider integrated circuit as active component because it contains transistors, diodes, etc. So ICs are called active components. Similarly, your operational amplifier is also called active component because operational amplifier is an integrated circuit. Similarly, a 7-segment display is an electronic device to display decimal numericals. It consists of 7 LEDs. As I have told you, diodes are active components. That is why LEDs, that is light emitting diode or photodiode, etc., they are also active components. And we know the 7-segment display consists of 7 LEDs. That is why the 7-segment display is also called a active element or active component. Since it consists of diode, it is an active component. We know SCR or silicon controlled rectifier is also a current controlling device, and it is also an active component because of it is a rectifier. So what is an active component? Active component means the component which amplify the signal or it produces the power. There are many types of active components in electronic circuits, but only two are the basic building blocks of power circuits, that is the diodes and transistors. Active components require a source of energy, typically in the form of a direct current, to perform their specific functions. Current sources like generators, such as alternators, these are the AC electrical generator. Remember, alternators or you may say AC electrical generator or DC generator are also called active components in electricity. Now let us discuss about passive components. What are passive components in electronic circuits? A passive component is an electronic component which can only receive energy. It cannot amplify or it cannot generate power. It can only receive energy. After receiving the energy, it can either dissipate the energy or absorb the energy or store the energy either in the form of electric field or in the form of magnetic field. Examples of passive components are resistors, capacitors, inductors, transformers, switch, LDR, that is the light dependent resistors. As we know, resistors only resist the flow of current. That is why resistors are called passive components. LDR or light dependent resistor is a variable resistor that changes its resistance with light intensity. When light intensity changes, the resistance of LDR changes. That is why LDR is also called a passive component. Capacitor is a passive component because capacitor temporarily store an electric energy in the form of electric charge. It cannot amplify or it cannot generate energy. That is why it is called a passive component. Similarly, inductor is also called a passive component. We call inductor as a coil or choke or a reactor. You have three names of inductor, other names of inductor like coil, choke or reactor. It is a passive component that stores energy in the form of magnetic field. You remember, inductor stores energy in the form of magnetic field and capacitor store energy in the form of electric field when current flows through it. But transformer, we know transformer can rise the voltage, but it is not a active component. It is also a passive component because the input of the input power of the transformer is equal to the output power of the transformer. That is the input, the power in the primary is equal to the power in the secondary of the transformer. That is why it is called a passive component because it do not generate power, it only receive energy. So passive components do not need an external power to function. So you should remember that passive components do not need an external power to function, but in case of active component, we need an external power for the function. The passive component, in passive component, they are not amplify electrical signals, and passive components are used in combination with active components to form an electronic system. So in various electronic circuits, we use active components and passive components for different operations.